If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's Tmika again, and I am here with a preview of a guest design team project that I will be sharing with you guys. Once I complete them, I do have to do 3 different projects, so I will be sharing with you guys what the papers look like before so you guys can check it out. And they come from Miss Andrea Bethke. She is the owner of the Fairy Tale Club. Her and her husband work this together from start to finish. There's no middleman. They print, design, cut, ship, everything all themselves, and I just absolutely love her. We got to talking, we got to chatting, and we're becoming friends, and I just like how she does things. And she asked me after we got to know each other and did some back and forth a while, if I wanted to be a guest designer for her Together Apart collection. And I had already had her is it Fairy Wishes, Dreams Come True, I think. And I'm like, I'm not cutting into that just yet. And I've had it for a little bit, but I was like, I can't cut into it. So she offered me just to be a one-time guest design team member for her Together Apart collection. I'm going to show you that here today. I absolutely love the collection. I love that she incorporated color girls in her. There's 3 different girls that you can choose from. Colored girls, different colors of girls that you can choose from, and I just support her wholeheartedly. She is just a very, very sweet lady, and yeah, she's a kind gal, and I like her style, her aesthetic. So let me show you the Together Apart collection. So this is how it comes, and of course I've gone through it already. I'm pretty sure it was much neater before I got my hands on it. So I'm going to show you the 12 by 12 first, and it's a very thick 12 by 12 paper, very sturdy, not your average cheesy paper. It's heavy cardstock here, and I absolutely love these houses. It says Home Sweet Home. Everybody's in their house. When she goes over the paper, she does say everybody's in their house, nobody's outside. Together Apart, as part of the COVID hashtag stay home. We're all in this together, but not literally, really stay home. So this is cute. And then that's the back, has lines on it. And I will link her Instagram, her video where she goes over the paper too, and her YouTube channel, all of her website, all down below. And they have this wavy, It Will Be Okay. Very pretty colors. Look at those cute little fluttering hearts. And this is where you can pick options of the color girl that you want on your paper. Is A, B, C, and it ranges from light, medium to dark. So I chose C, and all the girls have the same color, pink and fairy tale-y hair. Even with the mask on, I look fabulous. Mask on the outside, smile on the inside. I make this look good. I'm so pulling this off. Brave and beautiful. I love it. And then that's the back. She has a sheet with a bunch of masks. Why? Nope. Brave. Hope. Hello. Love. Heal. Tough. Happy. All that good stuff. She hand paints all of her stuff. Hand paints and scribbles and doodles. These are all her things that she does herself. Quite talented they are. Here's a cut apart sheet. There's some library cards. There's some film strip cards. There's even incorporated a cute little rainbow. This says just breathe. You can do this. There's some other little words down here. Virtual hug, being brave. There's some cut aparts that you can use. I thought last year was hard. Yes, I am wearing pajamas. So cute. And I love the colors. The pastel colors on the back is foam. And then she has them in different colors. You have this sheet, which are some larger cut aparts. I'm braver than you know. You are not alone. This too shall pass. I'm trying my best. Just really cute things down here that you could use. And then on the back, she has some beautiful bows. I love this word paper here. Name words paper. Hello, hope, together, apart. Cry, laugh, okay, home, love, I'm brave. And then on the back, she has a beautiful floral pattern. This one has cats and dogs and cherries and rainbows. It has okay, soap, meaning like clean your hands. There's some masks, some bowls, some hearts, some envelopes. There's some toilet paper. It's my precious. Some roses. Just a little eclectic sheet. I love this page with the rainbow. It's one of my favorites with the colors coming dusted in on the side, like the etching with the little crosses on here, doodles. And then she has this one, which is just a lot of words and little things you can cut out or use all in one page if you like. Stay at home, quarantine day, it'll be okay. Polka dots on the back. Think a happy thought. Really cute rainbow, some clouds, really, really cute. I love this. Like I said, I like her style and I like her aesthetic. And then there's a faded, like ombre red polka dot circles. Really, really pretty. Really cute. This will just be cute in like a little frame, which is really a great idea. Keep your spirits up. And there's some, I think these are 5x7 maybe. Greetings from our living room. Don't visit. Quarantine. I just called to say I love you. I love that. This is the hand sanitizer, important stuff. And it says comfort food. Even if we must be apart from one another for a time, know we are always together in our hearts. So cute. I like her little word penciling there. Home sweet home. Brave and beautiful. And those masks again with extra words that you can fussy cut out. When life seems its darkest, love shines its brightest. It will be okay. And then hope with that cute little rainbow. Kind of makes me think of this larger 12x12. I love this so very much. And then there's like a little calendar on this side. This is super cute. These between this one and this, I love this quote, and I like this one too. Are my favorites. Super cute. And then she has some paper clips, and these are acrylic, and there's hearts and stars in different colors. And then there's some stickers that she has on here. It's 28 pieces. 28 piece sticker sheet. You can even use this too if you wanted to. But here are the stickers. Kind of reminds me of the one sheet that had all of the ephemera stuff on it. I'm going to put these back in here because I don't want them to peel. And then there's an ephemera pack. There's 47 pieces. I won't go through all of them, but you can see them here. I'll open up some of them, but I'm going to link the video where she goes through and explains everything and goes through all of them. I mean, they are, the color on here is ridiculous. The prints, the color, the vibrantness, and they're matte. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is matte, guys. Like matte, not shiny. I love it. And it's a thick, thick paper. It's like she painted. They feel like paint chips. The color is so vibrant. Wash your hands. I just love this ephemera. I'm going to kind of lay them out a little bit. Envelope, meaning sending some happy mail. Snail mail. We got pizza. We got ice cream. Masks, hearts, bowls, candy. Cats and dogs. Oh my gosh, look at this house. I cannot express to you guys the color on here. It is impeccable. I love these ephemera pieces. Oh my gosh, this is just so vibrant. This looks like jet black ink. And this is really thick paper. Really cute, really cute ephemera on here. And then we have a stationery pack. There's a letter G left in there. And then this has tags. And then there's a letter. I think this pack spells together. Yeah, it spells together. And there are tags in here. Little letters. Outdoor look, indoor look, mask, no mask. Really, really cute stuff. You can journal on this. S is for sanitizer. Stuck inside. Nope, safe inside. Thank you, essential workers. Love it. Oh, that's so nice. Brave and beautiful. Indoor market. Comfort food. Thank you for dining at home. Yes, check. This is part of that word, together. Can we go back to old normal? Yes, please, let's. This sucks. That's part of that, together. Quarantine budding. I'm not okay. Enjoy the little things. Cute. Cute. That is the stationery pack. And then this is the ephemera pack. I mean, all good things. All good things. All good things. All right. And now she has some tiny little acrylic hearts, like these little gems, and you get 3 each of the colors, which are mint, red, aqua, white, black, silver, gold, purple, and pink. Not light, clear. Cute. Really cute little gems to put on your projects. I love the sound of those. So there's 27 of those in there. Like I said, you get 9 different colors, and there's 3 each. This and that. Just a loaded kit. And last but not least, she has a sequin mix to coordinate with the collection. Different colors of sequins. There's some stars in here as well. Iridescent, flat, cupped. All kinds of little sequins in there. Cute. Cute little mix. I don't want to get that in a disarray. So this is what I'll be working with. And I will be doing 3 different projects. So stay tuned for those. I look forward to playing with this collection. You guys continue to stay safe. Be sure to stay at home as much as you can to prevent the spread, or help to prevent the spread of the disease, the spread of COVID-19 even further than what it has already gone. And stay safe, stay at home. All right, I will link everything down below in the description box. Thank you again, Andrea, for being such a sweet lady and becoming a good friend. And you guys make sure you check out all the links in the description box. I will talk to you guys soon. I'll be back with the project. All right, bye.